Look guys, I'm here to set the record straight. I've been getting a lot of pushback on our USA flag mold, including the videos I've been making with it, because we are a Canadian company based in the Great White North. Now, it's not that I'm pro-America or anti-America. In fact, we love Canada, we love everything about this country, but the fact is, we are essentially e-commerce mercenaries, which is to say, we make whatever people want to buy. Now, I get that not all of our products are to everyone's taste. I've been accused of being a Christian white nationalist because we sell cross molds. And I certainly don't condone or condemn bullets and weapons. And we've certainly made some questionable decisions regarding other products in the past. Get the out of my face. But look, the fact is, we make stuff that makes money. And if enough people wanted to fork over the cash for a mold of Kim Kardashian's behind, I would gladly oblige. But look, I don't want to leave our Canadian makers in the dark. So because we released the USA flag mold, we've now brought out a 16 by 8 by 3/4 inch Canadian flag mold to make our Canuck friends happy. Now I fully expect to sell like maybe 5 of these, but it doesn't matter. They are going to be on our website now at craftedelements.com if you want to get your own. And of course, you can shop all of our products, including the controversial ones, templates, molds, and router sleds at craftedelements.com. Thanks for watching, guys.